Just a slight sound warning in case you were jamming to that, because I was. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the market right now. I mean, it's boring. I mean, what's doggy? Not much going on. This whole day was kind of sideways and everything, but I did want to point out that we broke under the psychosis line. We did not touch the one down here, but we came up and we rejected the one right here. Very interesting. If you're not familiar with the psychosis lines, it's a indicator that I made using a strategy of other people. It was very difficult, and it plots market structure. It helps significantly if you want to get little scalp trades off of them. You can see it right here. Anyways, I have it out for you guys, and I'm coming out with a new tool here soon, and I think you guys are gonna like it a lot. It's sorry, it's raining outside. It's a portfolio watcher. So I'm working on the BRC20 blockchain right now. I have someone developing it, and this will monitor your portfolio. Every time you make a trade, it will notify you on Telegram your profits or trade entered or confirmations on a transaction and everything to keep your portfolio managed. Every day you can have it set as a scheduled time to send you a notification that your 24-hour percentage change like in balance. Sorry, distracted. I thought it was really cool. It's something that I used to have in 2017. It was a there was a certain program, and as soon as you executed a trade, it would pop up like notification on Telegram. It would tell you executed trade and all this is your current balance, and it was very nice to have, but they got rid of it. And so yeah, I'm gonna remake it, remake something better. I think you guys will really like it. I'm offering it for free too. So getting into it, Bitcoin, very interesting. BlackRock, all these big companies. It's what, hence the logo of today, or thumbnail of today's video. BlackRock and Vanguard are buying the crap out of Bitcoin, and we've all known this, but they are going crazy with it. So I just want you to know that they're buying it, they're not selling it, so don't get bearish. You can see the blatant manipulation, yellow X's on Market Cipher A here. The yellow X, I'm not sure if I can, is a manipulation X. You can go on their website and see, and also you can see that you don't really see it very often here, other than here right before that giant pump. And you can see that on the downside we did have a lot of manipulation here. And if I lose internet, it's because the power went out, but I'll re-upload this on YouTube as a save stream. So I have a battery on my computer, just not the internet. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so I can see Bitcoin doing a lot. Right now we're taking a break until the halving, which is on April 18th. So if you want to mark your calendars, it is currently April 18th. So, you know, just about a month away. You know, we could have down and sort of get in these areas to recoup down at the lower 50s, mid 50s. Have a way back up. But definitely this bull run has started, and we're just waiting. We're just waiting for that halving. That's what it is. So right when the halving pops, we got Runes Protocol releasing. We have, I think, something on Merlin. I've been watching BRC20 heavy lately, and I think you guys should be focusing on that, because the amount of money that is going into that, and that, I mean, I've made so much off of that. I don't even really margin trade. I've just been buying NFTs on BRC20. And if you're interested, Telegram, join the Telegram, and you'll see what I'm into, and we can talk. It's cool. So I had a pups trade. So it was the pups token, and I bought this thing for so little, and it basically turned like a $30 trade, and I bought it below this. Like, I was telling people to get in this stuff back in November. I didn't say pups, but that was one coin that I did get into back in like May of last year, and that turned like 30 bucks, 50 bucks, something like that. Just kind of like the junk that was left in the Bitcoin. You know, I was like, screw it, I'm gonna buy this. So I bought a bunch of this, turned it to 30 grand. What the hell token you buy for $30 turns into 30 grand? And I've already taken like 20% profits on it. So it's real money. It's hilarious. So I bought a rune stone, a couple other things. I really want to get a Bitcoin puppet, but they're $17,000. I really don't want to spend that on something right now. And the rune stones were 3,500, so they weren't bad. I think I got it at 2,500, and then I saw some of the bigger YouTubers bought it, and that's when you recognize that it's probably going to go down after that. But I mean, it's went up consistently here. There's benefits to owning the runestone. I don't know if this is going to mess the chart up. Usually it does. Maybe just give it a second. The runestones, they said that they're going to it's basically a marker for the original BRC20 holders. So to airdrop to runestone holders would benefit original BRC20 holders, which means there are people that hold. That's what the guy that made runestone said. So there's benefits to owning a runestone. You get free airdrops, you get all sorts of things. price is consistently moving up. It's very hard to tell on a chart like this, but it was released a few days ago. And these will mine the runic token, the rune token, whenever, I hate NFTs, by the way, but this will mine the rune token on the Bitcoin blockchain. I want you guys to focus on BRC20 and Bitcoin blockchain. Runes Protocol is created by the same people who made the BRC20 protocol. You got me? They're upgrading BRC20 to the Runes Protocol. And the Runestones is a miner for it. It gets you in to the Rune blockchain. That's a part of Bitcoin. You get it now? Took me forever to figure that out. But a lot of good stuff on Magic Eden. One of the things I do want to point out too, and I hope I sound better. I did a lot of work to my microphone. Rare sats. So these are Satoshis, like parts of Bitcoin. So each Satoshi each Bitcoin has so many Satoshis, I don't remember. And you can buy chunks of rare Bitcoins. And people take these rare Bitcoins and they put NFTs on them. It sounds so retarded, but for some reason people are paying for it, so I'm willing to buy it. So you can see here on the left side, like just different things. Some of these are very cheap. They're $3 for a sat mined in the first 1,000 blocks of, Bitcoin blocks. The sats from the 10,000 Bitcoins used to purchase the pizzas. So it's just like a part of history. And these sats are, they're probably going to be worth something one day I don't know. We'll see. But I bought a shitload of them. So I'm just showing you guys things that I've kind of found. And they're probably going to be rare. Just saying. So you buy the individual sat of that Bitcoin from back then. And I could see these increasing in value as people start to mint on them. Various different little coins. I know the Rune Pups just released. I got ripped off on these. I bought it at like $1,200. But these are an NFT that was airdropped to Pups holders. The Pups NFT. I had to buy this. And apparently you get an airdrop on the new Runes Protocol when it comes out. April 18th. As soon as the halving is mined, the Runes Protocol is released, and all this shit's released too. So, I just want you guys to participate in that and to take advantage of it because it's going to be good. Going to be a lot of people making money on that. Quantum Cats freaking exploded. $21,000 NFT. Isn't that insane? For like some highlighter cats. I do want one. I want a $20,000 JPEG. What does the world become? Note monkeys are $40,000 floor. It's even worse, dude. Okay. Anyways, see, this is why I hate NFTs. But look, I'm gonna buy them if they're gonna make me money. Screw it, I think it's worth it then. But yeah, BRC20 protocol. It's going to be good. Pups actually just bridged over to Solana today. Which I need to figure out what happened to my money that I sent back. Looks like it's trading on Solana. Dude, it got up to almost $1,000 a coin. What's hilarious is a lot of people in Solana run bots, and so as soon as a coin's released, it rips up and it tries to sell real quick. Well, people that bought $800 worth got absolutely wrecked. So, pretty funny. But these are down to $4 a piece. It's actually cheaper to buy it on Solana than it would be to buy it on Bitcoin. Or it's very close. It's a lot easier to buy it on here. It's bridged over by multi-bit. It's their sort of bridging protocol. It takes forever. I wouldn't recommend using it. I actually have like $1,500 in missing funds that I need to contact them about. So hopefully I didn't lose it. Anyways, I hope this little market update helped you. I didn't see any coins that seemed worth looking at the moment. Everything's pretty much doing a thing. Ethereum looks like it did pop a bottom. So like what we experienced here, which is really odd to me, that a glitched out psychosis line from the Bitcoin indicator. Anyways, we'll get into that later. It's the slopes of the market. So I'm kind of predicting that the angle that the market goes up has sort of a structure to it, and that's the reason that these work on various different charts, which the spider lines, the psychosis lines, the things I teach, that's why they work so well. So I want you guys to look at BRC20, learn it. Ordinals, what are they called? Ordinals Club or something? Let's see real quick. I'm checking for you guys. Ordinals Revolution. Those guys. Great channel, by the way, on learning ordinals and how to trade them and what's good and what's popping. And they're on a lot of advisory boards for different coins, so very good. I want you guys to check out BRC20, learn that, and know that we found a bottom on Bitcoin. We definitely found it on ETH. Bitcoin looks like it's getting close. Very close. Dogecoin found a bottom. Yeah. We're gonna see up. Song goes ham. All right, I don't see much going on. I guess if we could take a look at Jesus coin. Nothing, as usual. I don't know, this coin just like really got suppressed. It's crazy. Mobile had a nice rip up that almost got to 7.5. I could really see this coin popping and exploding one day. All right, guys, be safe on the blockchain. Learn BRC20. Don't let that slip away. I am telling you right now that will 100x your money. Look into it. Like and subscribe, please. Follow my YouTube at the bottom. I'm trying to build that channel. It's just very slow. All right, thanks, guys.